What's up guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking Out. I'm back here on the mud flats pumping some bass yabbies because we're going to go fishing in the estuaries. We're going to see if we can catch some salmon or an estuary perch so we can cook them up. And if not, well, we have yabbies to cook up. Okay, so we're back at Jake's house. How did we go fishing? I got one pinky and a few toadfish, of course, because it wouldn't be an episode of Cooking Out without it. Jake caught a whiting, undersized, so no fish today, but we still have something to cook up. So we're going to cook up those yabbies. We're going to make like a salsa bowl, I guess, with lettuce, tomato, avocado, you know. Okay. Let's have a closer look at these guys. See, it's got big claw. That's why they call them nippers. Got a few tiny little eyes up there. These claws. So it looks kind of just like a prawn, except it's got these big claws at the front. Hope it tastes like a prawn. That'd be nice. Here they are. Beautiful. What we'll start by doing is I think we're going to dry out these, or remove as much moisture as we can from these yabbies. Try and leave as much sand behind as I can. So obviously I don't want to eat sand. Okay, that's all the yabbies. I might put another paper towel over the top just to absorb any moisture that's left behind. Looks like a bunch of creepy crawlies. Alright, let's start with some onion. There's the red onion. We'll get some tomatoes in there. Now I like using these Perino ones, or almost mini Roma tomatoes, because they're sweet and they don't have as high a water content as your other kind of tomatoes or cherry tomatoes. Let's put some jalapenos in there. Chop up some coriander. We'll need some lemon juice at some point. And I think I'm going to put some avocado to the side. Oh man, that coriander smells so good. And don't blame me if you don't like coriander. It's probably a genetic thing. Look it up. Genetics can make coriander taste like soap for some people. Fact. So, in here, we've got all the ingredients. Some just fell out. I'm an idiot. Put some lemon juice in there. Bit of salt and pepper. give that a bit of a taste. A bit of avocado on. Yeah. Okay, so with the lettuce here, I'm going to try and make little cups out of it. Oh no. We'll see how good that goes. I just want a nice cup shape out of these. Kind of like that. You know what? I think we're going to have to make do. Well, I suppose they're as dry as they can be now. There they are, scurrying around. Give them all a nice coating. Then they're going straight in. Alright. Here we go. Woo! She's spitting. Alright, so these guys have had maybe 2 or 3 minutes in there. Let's try one straight up. Here we go. Yes. Oh my God. Yes. Oh my goodness. All right, cheers guys. Here's to the Yabby Salsa cup. I'll tell you what, if you're not eating Yabbies, you're missing out. This is, wow. So, they're completely edible, whole thing, everything, all at once. If you saw my first video, where I fried the prawn heads up and just crunched on them, it's exactly like that, but just like bite-sized. So, a little bit on the bitter side, but you get like a delicious, real prawny taste. Like if you're a beer drinker, you already know, what bitter tastes like, so you'll probably either enjoy it or be accustomed to the taste, so it'll be fine. So I'm telling you, these are fantastic. I might not have caught a fish today, but this is a win. Cheers. Good stuff, good stuff. Alright guys, well that's it for today's episode. Got them Yabbies, it was delicious, definitely 2 thumbs up. So if you like what you see, like and subscribe, do all that business, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.